nature and sightseeing. It's sun. And maybe some street food. Good morning. Today is morning number 1. We slept like
12 hours.
12 hours. It's a long travel day and 2 exhausting days leading up to leaving Arizona. All right, that's it. We'll keep you updated as the day goes on. Right?
Yes, morning.
Bye.
Coffee time.
That's the road coming in. We're gonna go get some coffee.
Yes.
We need some coffee. All right.
There's going to be morning yoga people here. Not us.
There might even be some morning bar drinking people here. This is the main house that Aaron and Serena live in. And then on the left and right side, which we'll show you, and we'll hopefully get in one of these rooms to show you when there's a couple that's moving out on Friday. So we're going to see if we can sneak in there and take a look and give you an idea what one of the ocean views of this place looks like. This is the Moon Bar. And this is our favorite part about this resort. It'd actually be better if it was like 25 and older, but the fact that this is here, there are no kids here. And not that we don't like kids, because we have kids. We just don't want them on this vacation. They still look a little thin, right?
They're a little bit thin still, yeah.
Puppies? Okay, we're gonna go see Christian. He is removing sargassum. It's a type of seaweed, and if they don't remove it off of the beach after a couple days, it gets stinky. So you can see it here. And Christian is removing it so that we have a nice beach. Hi, Christian.
Morning.
How you doing?
Good.
So this is sargassum, right?
That's sargassum.
And it's you got to remove it like every couple of days, or it starts to smell.
Yeah, when it starts to, they're like, not every time it's coming, just after season they're coming.
It doesn't come all the time.
No, not the time.
But,
sometimes we don't see lots of grass like for a couple of months.
oh, really?
Yeah, when they come like for a couple of months too. So we have to remove it because it's on the water, it starts to get rotten and it starts to smell bad. That's why we try it.
And then you just
water. Yeah, just pile it outside and not hold by itself.
How long have you been here?
Here in the island, a couple of years, like 7 years.
And Merlin was saying your wife Margarita works here as well?
Yeah, she's home.
Yeah. And she works Friday night at the bar for the movie drive-in thing?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man. Alright, so he's removing the sargassum from our beautiful little beach here so that it doesn't get stinky. As you can see, it's not easy to keep up with it. But he's doing the best he can. Nice guy. And Joellen's up here talking with her, having her double shot latte. All right, so that is one of the rooms, and then the other lower deck one is a room, and then the two middle ones and the entire upper part is all of where Erin and Serena, that's their house, and then they have a backyard, and they have 4 dogs and 2 cats, and we met the 2 of the new puppies today. That is Erlen. He's our man. He made our pizza last night.
All
and
right.
our lattes this morning. And he's gonna talk to us at some point, and we're gonna get all sorts of history about San Ignacio before we make that little leg of our trip.
That's
next, right?
Yep.
Yep, he's the man. He's telling us that the places we picked are cool, and we're in good shape, so we're excited.
Right.
We got the scoop from Erlen. We're gonna go and just get a couple things done work-wise back at our cabana, and then we're gonna head up north in our cart to Tranquility. I don't know if it's
Tranquility Bay.
some
Tranquility
beach.
Beach.
And I don't know. We're gonna go check it out, and then we were given some very good advice from Erlen to go to Secret Beach, to
Sunset something.
Sunset Palace.
Yep.
Sunset Palace.
I think
Yeah.
so. To see the sunset.
To see the sunset. So we're gonna get out there around 3:30 to go and do that, and we'll have a lot of stuff between now and then on this here camera for you, all of you. All right, now you can see this really in the daytime. So this is
Like
our
these little planners.
Yep, super cool. We are in the Moonbeam cabana.
Mangata Villas.
Mangata, yeah, I was saying Mangata, I didn't know.
Mangata.
Mangata.
It's a Swedish word, and it means
Sunset on the water.
moon reflection on
Oh.
the water.
Hey, what do I know?
Something like that. Our first full day
First full day.
in Belize, and we worked all morning, so it's well, I can't say we worked all morning. We had a lovely cup of coffee and hung out and chatting with some of the people who are staying here and working here, and then we went back to work for a couple hours, and now we're in the golf cart heading north.
I have no idea where we're going.
We were told to explore every street, everything, and then everywhere we go would be safe and fabulous. So we're on an adventure. Oh, property for sale. We might buy it. Oh my God! Ouch!
I gotta keep my eye on. All right.
We're on a dirt road
Yeah.
in a sand.
We finally got to the sand road next to the beach. Got off that bumpy cement-ish type road. Day 1, having fun already. Oh.
Speed bump. It's not a bad view.
Seriously?
I don't
think so.
We are Tranquility Bay.
That's Caesar.
Here we go, Joe.
We're here at the Tranquility Bay Resort.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And we're just chilling. Food was excellent.
Thank you.
Chicken tacos were amazing.
Mojitos.
Oh yeah, mojitos were, yeah, I forgot about that. They were amazing. No, so you guys got to come and check this place out. I think it took us like an hour to get here from Mangata Resort. But they have this indoor area here that you can sit out of the sun. And then there's a front patio out there. I'll walk out that way so you guys can see it. Here's a front patio that they have. Hey Caesar, what's a horny monkey?
The horny monkey is banana. The horny monkey is banana, coconut cream, blue corazon, Belize vodka with chocolate syrup in the glass. That's the horny monkey.
That's not good for the waistline.
That's right.
All right, cool. Gonna walk back out, see Joellen, bring her. In the Sunset Beach. It is. What time? You just looked at your phone.
It's like 5 o'clock.
Oh, it's like 5 o'clock, and we are racing the sunset, going to Secret Beach, and trying to not hit the potholes, not trying to dump Joellen in the water. And will we make it? Stay to the end. So, we made it. We made it to
Secret Beach, Sunset Palace at Secret Palace.
Sunset Palace is made for the older, quieter folks like us.
So we've been told. Yeah, we passed a couple of
rowdy, clubby bars that we'll probably go to at some point because we're not ready to roll over and play dead.
Do we pass them or we have to turn?
No, I think those blew by you and then other ones. Yeah. So this is the place to be for sunset. We're so glad we made it. I was flying on that road to try to get here in time. I don't know if I need to be.
You don't want to walk in the water?
No, I don't know if I need to be out there. I don't know. I'm quite happy.
Be up on the stage?
Yeah, I'm quite happy right out here. Yeah.
On those chairs?
Yeah. I'm quite happy right in one of these lounge chairs. Perfect. Look at that. That's the view.
Us two right here?
Yep, perfect. Okay, what can I get you to drink, assuming there's no wait staff? I am your pool boy.
You got this.
I got this. I'm in charge of going to get the drinks for my lady. And we're gonna figure out either a rum punch or a margarita or who knows what. But I'm gonna get it right now. All right, this is my buddy Edwin. He's bringing us our first drink here at Sunset Palace. Okay. Joellen, this is Edwin.
Hello.
Hi.
2 rum punches.
Welcome to Sunset Palace. Hello guys, welcome to Sunset Palace. I hope to see you every month. You're right here.
Beautiful. Thank you. That looks beautiful.
That's all right, you're good. We're at the truck stop. It's our final stop of the day. Have a couple of beers, something to eat maybe. Head back to our hotel.
So YouTube.
Number 4 coming at you. This Australian tennis star announced she is retiring from the sport at age 25 to chase other dreams.
What are they doing? Oh, they're doing... Are they doing trivia? I guess they're doing trivia. How cool is that? Excuse me.
Number 5. What team is the only top seed left in the Final Four at the NCAA tournament? Look at all these easy multiple choices for you.
We had read a lot about this place. It's super cool. So I'm sure we're going to be back a couple more nights, or at least one more night. We got a lot to cover in 5 days.
People are crazy.
Joellen's always making friends at the bar.
Don't put it on Facebook, I got warrants.
Too late. Too late. Too late. You're not anybody looking for you? Okay.
She's the one that took
See, you guys are in trouble because we have a YouTube channel, so now you're going to be famous.